People are watching you, people are following you. You are that influencer, you are that force. Communication is not really about English or Hindi. I want to think about it so that I can convert it into a weapon, so that I can convert it into a tool. Can I convert it into a framework that I can reuse? I don't want to depend on that. As a founder, people are watching you, people are following you. You are that influencer, you are that force in your own bubble, whether you like it or not. In your own world, you will be that celebrity. And I'm using the word, term celebrity because you can relate to the fact ki how people don't want to see Shah Rukh Khan smoking on screen. People want their favorite actors to comment on social issues. People don't want their favorite actors to, behave a certain way or want them to behave a certain way. You will be that person. You have to understand the person who's responsible to make people fall in love with them or to make people relate to them. It is your job. It is a minimum requirement. You are that person. People who people are going to emulate, who people are going to follow. They are going to do things that you do, and they're also not going to do things that you don't do. That said, one of the most powerful tools that you should invest in is communication. And communication के बहुत सारे flavors हैं. Communication is not really about English or Hindi or whatever your tongue is. Communication is about your body language. Communication is about your articulation. Communication is also about, let's say, your public speaking etiquette as well as public speaking prowess. ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो one-on-ones में चैंपियन हैं, पर अगर 6 लोग के सामने खड़ा कर दो, 60 नहीं, 6, so they start talking crap, like their thoughts get jumbled, right? And then they keep on thinking कि ये पहले बोलना था, ओहो, And as a founder, if you feel that somewhere your public speaking muscle is weak, you're great at one-on-ones, but you are not, great in more than 3 people, then you should start investing in that. इसका तरीका आप कोच भी हायर कर सकते हैं, आप पब्लिक स्पीकिंग लेक्चर्स और क्लासेस भी ले सकते हैं. और इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप कोई ख़राब है. जब मैं ऐसी चीज़ों के बारे में सोचता हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब आप लर्निंग प्रोसेस से गुजरते हैं, जब आप इस तरह के प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज वगैरह लेते हैं, ऐसे मत सोचो कि वो सिखाने वाला अच्छा है या बुरा है. फैक्ट ये है कि वो तुम्हें 2-4 ऐसी अगर एक कोर्स से 2 टेक्निक भी मिल गई जिसको आपने अपने लाइफ में उतार लिया, बहुत है. इतना ही चाहिए था, इससे ज़्यादा जरूरत भी नहीं है. हो सकता है उस टीचर का, उस कोच का 90% ज्ञान आपके काम का ना हो, which is okay. You're not supposed to learn everything, from everyone. You need to learn something from everyone, and that's all that matters. So communication is definitely one. And then you should practice it. You should basically take every possible opportunity to address people. Because that muscle will only get built. Technique will only come handy when it is practiced. When you're going to practice more and more, you'll be surprised. Second thing as a founder you should invest in is introspection. ये भी आप कोच के साथ कर सकते हो. कुछ लोग इसको almost therapy भी बोल सकते हैं. But a professional coach can help you introspect if you are not in the process of doing it on your own. And introspection का मतलब सिर्फ ये है that it's not about only thinking about things that you did wrong. Introspection is just introspection. It basically means that you also think deeply about things that you're a champion at. You deeply think about every interaction that you go through in a day. You deeply think about every interaction from all different angles. Even if you came out a champion in that, doesn't matter. Because I can tell you one of the, ways I look at these things is, and I do that a lot, is that even if I win on a certain table, a conversation, an argument, a deal, or some clever thing that I did, while feeling all the dope and triumph, I also keep thinking about it, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर ये luck से भी हुआ या by chance कुछ spontaneously आ गया और I look like a hero, I want to think about it so that I can convert it into a weapon, so that I can convert it into a tool. Can I convert it into a framework that I can reuse? I don't want to depend on that, last minute thinking next time. I would want to practice it and see if this is, doable. ये सब चीजें आप बुक्स पढ़ के भी सीख सकते हो. सी मोड मुझे नहीं पता आप कौन सा चूज करोगे. डिफरेंट मोड्स कैन वर्क फॉर डिफरेंट पीपल. यू कैन थिंक अबाउट सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स which talk about these things. You can invest in coaches. There are coaches of different types and kinds everywhere. One thing that I recommend is that you should also start investing your time with other founders, and especially the founders that are ahead of you, in a mentor-mentee sort of relationship. This is one of the most underrated practices, because it's difficult. You need to find those people, request, and I should say beg their time, not because they're arrogant, because they're busy. They have their own shit to run. There are a lot of people like you, and they have limited time. So there is a priority order. You need to figure out a way, to find that chunk in their calendar. But मेरे लिए personally, that is the most fulfilling and the thing that works the most, by talking to founders who are ahead in the journey. And last but not the least, in whatever stage of life and career and startup and your business you are, you should actually also talk to people who are behind you in the curve, and you should start coaching and mentoring them. Because the amount of mistakes, stupidities, the amount of things that you will see in them, which actually you do yourself, will throw you, off your high horse quite quick. You'll be surprised by how many times you will see a mirror in them. And you'll be surprised how many times you are able to give them the advice which sounds very virtuous and very ideal, while fully understanding in your head ki shit, मैं तो खुद ये नहीं करता हूँ. And that will also not only keep you humble, but it will also open up a lot of ways of introspection for you. Because introspection difficult इसलिए है क्योंकि खुद की bullshit देखना by design difficult है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप देखना नहीं चाहते, by design difficult है ना, क्योंकि you are not bullshitting by choice. You're bullshitting because you're bullshitting, like you just don't know it's bullshit. But जब कोई सामने वाला आपके सामने ऐसा करता है, तब आपको पहली बार realize होता है कि ouch, ये ऐसा sound करता है क्या? Do I do it like this? So that is, a cheaper way to find coaches on both sides, upstream and downstream. Spending time with those people is really, really, going to help you. I hope ये आंसर, ये ओपिनियन, ये थॉट आपको रिलेटेबल लगा होगा, या हो सकता है ना भी लगा हो. आई वुड वॉन्ट टू नो योर रिएक्शन इन कॉमेंट्स. अगर इस आंसर के ऊपर बहुत सारे सवाल हैं या कुछ सवाल हैं, या इस थॉट को आप चाहते हो दैट आई एक्सपैंड इट इन एनी वे, हाउ यू फील अबाउट दिस, लीविंग अ कॉमेंट फॉर मी is going to be the fuel to make the next one. Thank you.